Yeah, hi, I'm John. We've got Troy here, the owner of this awesome 55. Hey Troy, can you just give us a bit of a background and a bit of a story on this car?
Yeah, I bought it back in 2005 and it was a wreck. It was just a rusted out shell. You could put your hand through the quarter panels and where the windows go, there was just no floor at all and at all.
So you're saying that this is a wreck and you cut the rust out of it and you put this paint job on it?
Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
wow, that's a credit to you because...
Well, the bloke couldn't sell it, that's how bad it was. I ended up swapping it for a motor.
Yeah, wow, that's a good deal.
Yeah. And just went right through it, and I wanted to build something that put the family in. There's no excuses not to drive it. So It was aircon, power steering. I put all the comforts in it. It's got cruise control, electric seats, electric everything.
And also got a nice leather interior.
Yeah.
And you've got that was your colour scheme?
Yeah.
Oh, this colour, we've got the camera here. We've looked around this whole oval of cars, and this absolutely pops. This colour scheme. Love it with the chrome.
Yeah.
And it looks to me like it's on airbags or lowered suspension.
Yeah, it's right. Air ride suspension.
Air ride suspension.
Yeah.
Like this car ticks all the boxes. Like real super tidy small block Chev in there. Everything's polished, like what you'd expect from Troy. Like he's done a really fantastic job. He's even gone to the trouble putting a serpentine belt on the front of this. So he's modernised it. Massive aluminium radiator on it. He's got a polished condenser. You don't see that too often. You know. Just more and more you look around this car, he's done everything right. There's a couple of, tidy little braided lines hiding out there. And I mean, you almost need x-ray glasses to see any wiring in here. Man, this is sweet. Yeah, and this is built by Troy, so reach out to us, we'll reach out to him, he'll build your car anytime you want. Good on you guys. It's a credit to Troy once again, he's done everything right. Right colour scheme, leather interior, he's thought of everything, aircon, power steering, cruise control. Man, this is a really nice car, Troy. Credit to you, buddy.
Thanks very much.
Thanks, mate. Hi, I'm John. I'm starting a new YouTube channel called TRG. Follow along as I turn cars from this into this. Coming soon.